Hello class, welcome back to our second session of our learning today, right? So as you know already from the first session we study our book hangout already, right? So right now let's move to our second session that we will do some activity and we will learn more that regarding with our lesson from the previous day that we talk about present simple. So grammar planet 1, right? So I hope that you have our book Grammar Planet 1 on your table right now. And everyone, let's look at the whiteboard for today. And today teacher will explain you more how to use simple present in informative, right? Okay, so as you know already in simple present that you learned it from the previous day that we need to use with have and has. So right now let me explain you more that how to use have and has. Okay, so now let's look at the whiteboard. Okay, so today we will continue our unit 10 that the title of our lesson is She Has a Cookie on page 45. So now let's look at this one. So simple present we have three forms of using that you can see in here. That we have positive, negative and question. But in three forms of that one, sometimes positive we call it informative and question we call it interrogative, right? Okay, sometimes you always thinking that what is mean informative, what is mean interrogative, right? So all that one is the same meaning of this one. That you can see in here, informative is the same meaning of positive and interrogative is the same meaning of question. And what is the sign of that three form? Great. The sign of that three form, positive is plus, right? And negative, the sign is minus. And question, the sign is question mark, right? So some sentence, they didn't put the full form like positive, negative or question. Sometimes they just put the sign like this only. So you know that that sentence is negative, positive or question, right? Okay, so now let's look at this one. So today we talk about informative. So informative, as you know already, informative, this one is the same meaning of positive, right? Okay, it's the same meaning of positive, but today teacher will teach you how to use informative form that we have full form and short form, right? Okay, so now let's look at this one. So I, you, we, they, this one we call it subject. And subject, that one we need to use with have, okay everyone? Because that one we call it plural, right? Okay, so if plural, we need to use with have, like I, we, you, and they. So we can write like this, I have, we have, you have, or they have. So I have, you have, we have, they have, that one we call it full form. So you can write in the sentence that the way of this one, or you can write into this way is correct also, that we call it short form. So the way that you write in short form, example I have. So if you want to write in short form is I apostrophe and VE. So you can read I have, right? Okay, we have the same V apostrophe and VE. So in this one we call it short form. So remember everyone, have we use with I, you, we, they, and have that one we can write in two ways. One is full form and one is short form, right? Okay, that you can see in here. Here is the full form and here is the short form, right? Okay, so now let's move to singular. So singular we have he, she, it. He, she, it. So he, she, it, this one we need to use with has. So remember, he, she, it, we use with has. But if I, we, you, they, we need to use with have. So he, she, it, we use with has. We can write in two ways also, or in two forms. that we call it full form and short form. Then you can see in here, he has, she has, or it has. And he has, that one we can write into the short form also, that you need to write he, apostrophe, and s, right? And she, apostrophe, and s, and it, apostrophe, and s also. So as you know right now that have and has, we can write in two ways, right? Of the sentence, that one is full form and one is short form. So now let's look at this example. The teacher write in full form, right? Emma has a cookie. They have a new toy. So they have a new toy, that one the teacher can write in some short form also, that I can write they. This one is they, apostrophe and ve. They have a new toys. They have a new toy. So in two form of this one, you can write in full form or you can write in short form. So all of that one are correct, right? Okay, so now let's move to our practice. So after we learn, we need to practice. So teacher have practice for you that you need to unscramble and write. What does it mean unscramble? Unscramble is mean like the sentence are not in order, right? Okay, so you need to arrange that one to the correct sentence. So number one, teacher have has, he, had, and full stop. So this sentence we need to arrange that one into the order that we need to put he. Very good. He has a hat, right? Okay. Number two, we have a cat, has, and she. So which one that we need to put first? Good, we need to put subject first, right? So she has a cat, right? And full stop. And next one we have they. Then we have they a camera. So this one is they have a camera, right? Okay, so here is our sentence that we arranged that one to the correct one, right? Okay, that number one we have he has a hat. Number two, she has a cat. Number three, they have a camera. So I hope that you understand how to use have and has correctly in full form and in short form, right? Okay, so now it's time for our lesson for today. And teacher will provide you the exercise that related with our grammar for today that you need to use with have and has. And the end of the lesson for today, teacher want to remind you that don't forget to learn by yourself at home and remember how to use have and has. And you need to remember that have we use with I, you, we, they, and has we use with he, she, it. So now it's time for our lesson for today, and I hope that you understand well. And teacher will provide you the homework after this video. Okay everyone, so now it's time. See you again tomorrow. Goodbye.